So what do I got to do with the rebar?
Set it next to me.
Why?
Because we're about to take a picture that's gonna look awesome. You can't have
In the dark
rebar.
abyss?
Not in the abyss.
Near the abyss.
I got an idea.
Yeah?
Alright, so I'm gonna be right here. Walk down a little bit until I tell you to stop.
Bye, Larry. So, alright, I'm walking.
Alright.
I'm still walking.
Stay on the yellow line.
Okay. So you're good? What am I supposed to do?
Stand there.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah,
I'll meet you back in a second. How do you feel about that? I want to go home. There's no home from where we're about to head to. Did you just hear that?
No, I live in those tunnels.
This man says he lives in these tunnels. Then why are people invading your home right now? That's disrespectful.
I disrespect your face.
He's disappointed.
Like taking care of a child.
It happens.
Walk and move. You demons need to calm down.
Oh, that's not creepy at all. The fact that there's just a light down there. Oh, they're hitting something.
The demons are growling.
This though. Hello? Hello? Dude, that looks like a jail cell in there.
Please don't respond. Cool.
Alrighty then.
Oh, Jesus. Literally, Jesus.
Look, he's here with us.
He's... Stop!
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, God, no. What?
Yeah, I can't get in there. It's gonna be sealed shut.
Oh, God.
This looks like a zombies thing. Like you're out here playing COD Zombies, right? You're out here playing COD Zombies, and like that's one of the doors they spawn from. That's what this is. It's kind of wild. Kind of wild, not gonna lie. Okay, well at least when you get in here, it's not as dark.
Yeah. Jesus.
Satan is at the end, right beside Jesus. Okay. I got in a... Whoa. Oh. Okay, anyways, I got a picture idea real quick. There's graffiti up in that hole, right? Which means that someone came through there and they probably walked down that hallway and got up there somehow. Which I'd love to explore, but I'm not trying to die.
Someone wrote Satan is at the end.
Alright, so we're finally in here.
Where's Kilroy? Where's Kilroy?
This place is wild.
Boy, Kilroy was here. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Hell no. That's definitely the spot where there's demons.
Hello?
Oh my God.
Oh, it's a ladder?
Oh God.
Oh, there's a bunch of paint cans and stuff down there.
Guy looking for guy. Anyone out there looking for a little fun? Got the number.
Alrighty then. Well, we're gonna continue walking down here.
Male in search of male. He was really trying to advertise this. He's desperate.
All right, well, we're gonna keep walking down here, and I'll update you boys. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. I don't know what it is, but we definitely need to get something going on here. But yeah, this is wild.
Fuck you. Run, run, run.
Echo!
Psychosocial.
This is really wild. Kind of really cold too, not gonna lie. Eat my ass.
No!
Eat my ass.
I'm not falling for that trick again.
There's people down there like, what are they? Bucky. All right. Well, it's like really.
Mushrooms. Someone's drunk a lot of dicks. A lot of dicks.
It happens. Virginity rocks. Yeah. All right. Well, my hand's getting really cold, so I'm about to call it till we get down here. All right. So we're walking down here, and we're casually walking faster because, not gonna lie, it's kind of creepy.
LSD.
I can't. What? I can't wait to see what's on the other side, though.
Billy.
Don't look back.
You watched front all.
Alrighty. Like, the road's perfect outside, and then you get in here and it's like really weathered and doesn't make any sense. Alrighty then. Well. Wow. Well, you think there's gonna be a bunch of graffiti on the other side?
Probably.
Alright, good, because we're almost there, finally. Illuminati confirmed. Oh.
Get trippy.
Alrighty. Hands getting cold again.
My right hand is frozen to my foot.
It happens. Okay. Alright, so we found salvation. We found the light in this tunnel.
I got touched by a demon.
We're a little chilly. But I think we're gonna survive.
It's a funny joke, Brandon.
Where's this graffiti I was promised?
Maybe we need to walk further.
Maybe.
But that's not gonna happen.
There's mud on my butt.
What?
Well, maybe not. I'm just stupid.
My hand is actually like super stiff.
You know how weird it is? Like, you can see clearly the whole way down there, but while you're in it, it's pitch black. It's wild. Alright. That's not weird looking.
Hey, Danny DeVito.
Oh, hey. Ooh. That one's open.
No.
Oh, look at that. That's wild.
That's kind of cool. Yeah, 10666 boy.
I'm going in. Oh, this isn't bad. It's just a little room.
Please don't kill me.
Bro, this is where the club. This is my new clubhouse.
I would be afraid to bring a black light in here.
Yeah. That's probably what all this stuff is.
Okay.
No, hold on. I want you to do something. Yo, what's up, MTV? Welcome to my crib. You can see we got the artwork on the side. Myself. We got the light switch over here. Just the dingle dongle dingle thingy. That's what really turns all the club lights on. As you can see, we get a little wild in here. Down the white markings, you don't want to know where that's going. Alright, Lane, how are you feeling? We're heading back.
My ears are numb.
Yeah, mine too.
I can't feel anything.
We're about to head out of this tunnel. We're about, I don't know, almost halfway through. It's probably like a mile long, but we're gonna get through here, get a couple more senior pictures from me, and probably gonna find somewhere to get Fortnite. But yeah, then we're probably gonna find something to get something hot to drink and warm up a bit, and then who knows? One day we might just full send drive the PT Cruiser down there, because we saw track marks on the other side that we were just at, so of some type of car. But we're gonna check to see if motor vehicles are even allowed to be down here.
This is a pretty cool place, though.
Just really cold in here.
The graffiti is crazy.
The draft is just retarded, like ridiculous. Yeah. Full send or no send?
Oh yeah.
Fresh air. Look at the light compared to that light.
Very tiny light.
We finally made it. There's a heart for our love.
Hell yeah.
Oh, I can feel the heat. I'm warming up already. My bones are becoming unchilly. But my nipples can cut diamonds.
I could cut the Empire State
So-
Building in half with my
So you know
nipples.
how I had a crib at the other side? This is my new crib right here. It's got an iron door, but no pressure plate or button, so no one can get in. When I enter,
Stuck in there for caution. Enter at your own risk. This unimproved tunnel is unlit and may contain dangers including I can't read. Including but not limited to. Demons need to calm down in there.
yeah.
But not limited to spalling concrete, falling debris, wild animals, shattered glass. Damage or destruction to this historical landmark will be prosecuted. Well, you got a lot of prosecution to do right here.
I don't think they know who done did it though.
69.
My favorite.
Hell yeah.
Alrighty, we're about to walk down the trail of doom. Alright, so we made it out of the abyss and the long road to get back down here. We're about to check this sign to see if we can bring motor vehicles up here. Then maybe one day some nutty stuff will happen.
We gotta know.
Even if it does say it, there's obviously tracks here.
Yeah.
Fire lane, no parking. Unauthorized vehicles will be ticketed / towed at owner's expense. Leave no trace. Please take your trash with you.
Motors prohibited.
Oh, it's over here?
Yeah.
Oh, someone's on it. Someone definitely went on it. Lights needed. Motors prohibited. Well, there goes that idea.
Oh well.
Possibly. We'll just have someone down here just guarding the area. Oh, she's money. Alright, well, full send to McDonald's if we can find one. Alright. Was a good day. Now it's time to chow down. That Mickey D's fuel though. We'll catch you in the next one. God bless.
Water, 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 okay, water, water, drip, water, splash, water. I drip on your bitch like water. I splash on your bitch with the water. Water, 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 water on my bitch. I keep it wet like my cell phone. Bitches on me, dark skin.
Fucking missed the turn, mate.
I can't fucking believe I missed the turn to get the Martinsburg, mate. What the fuck?
Oh, bloody hell.
Oh, fucking hell. Turn your high beams off, you can't.
Ah, fuck.
Fucking
You
bitch.
fucking idiot.
Oh,
I'll
look at,
fuck you up, you
look at
piece
this.
of shit.
look at this line of fucking cars with all the fucking high beams on, like you fucking fuck.